Hello everyone, once again my name is Marinova and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you my corned beef pie filling. So I have in the cooking oil just about 5 tablespoons and just about 300 grams of butter in there. So I'm going to add in my onion now. So I'll add in bay leaves as well, and as you do always know, I love my 10 size blend. I'll be adding in just about a 1/4 teaspoon of that as well. I'll add in just a 1/4 teaspoon of garlic powder or garlic granules, and just about a 1/4 teaspoon of ginger powder as well. And just about a 1/4 teaspoon of rosemary or less. I'll give it a quick stir. Everything to combine well. It smells lovely. It smells really nice. So this will be for my filling. Now this is my corned beef. Add just about half a teaspoon of chili. You can choose to add less depending on how you really want it. I'll add just a 1/4 teaspoon of salt just because the beef has salt in already, and if you don't take care it will be very salty. So I just add just a pinch of salt and give it a quick stir. Next, I'll be adding in just about a tablespoon, or 2 of, just about 2 tablespoons of flour, just to get everything well together, combine it well for me. You can choose to add it or not add it, it's up to you. So add in my flour to bind it together well for me. So I'll give it a quick stir, and someone will ask, why do you add flour to your filling? Yes, it gives it that, it binds it well together for me, in my opinion. So I was taught by a caterer, and she does it, and then I learned it from her, which I've been using it, and then it works really perfectly. So if you prefer not to, it's totally up to you. Yes, it's totally up to you. That's it. Say piece of them, so I've been pendam feelings, and yeah. May add may add cry. How you feeling the man? So I'll add carrots now. I'll give it a stir now. And that's it. You're just done for a corned beef filling. I'll leave it to cook for a minute or 2, and that's our corned beef filling for our pies. or so. I'm all done with the complete part filling, and look at that on your corner. If you really like this video, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and share with your friends and family. The channel destination, and don't forget to follow me on Instagram at Lovely Lifestyle. Ciao, ciao.